Hello, I'm David from London and Home Counties Safes, and in this video we're going to be having a look at how to change the code on the Sargent and Greenleaf digital keypad. This particular keypad is fitted to one of our London Eurograde 2 mini digital safes. Link in the top right hand corner now to the video on that safe. Stage 1 is to get the safe open using the factory default code, and we'll do that now. We hear that little click and we turn the knob, and now the safe's open. And now everything that we're going to do from now on, we're going to do with the safe door open, so that if we make any mistakes, we haven't committed to shutting the door and locking ourselves out of our safe. So what I always do is wedge something in the way. I've put that box there so the safe door cannot shut, so I can't make any mistakes. Okay, so let's go ahead and change the code. So first we need to get it into programming mode. So we press 22 and star, then the factory default number, and then hash. That beeping tells us it's ready for the new number, so I'm going to go backwards. I'm just going to do 654321, and then hash, and then we need to do it one more time to confirm it. And hash, and that beeping has now accepted the new code. So remember, the bolts are out and the door is locked. We're going to open it now, so we enter our new code. That click is now open. I'm turning the knob and the safe is now set to the new code. So I've locked it again. We'll just double check and then listen to that click. Safe's open. So now I have the confidence to shut the safe and to lock the safe. Safe's now locked, and now I can open it using my new code. And that's all done.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.